Hey, Jeff Joyner here, coming to you from right outside Solvang, California. You guys know I like to find new and unique places to visit when I travel. Well, I spoke in Lompoc, California this morning, and now I got about a 4-hour drive up to Fresno for an event tomorrow. And what do I come across? Ostrich Land, USA. I gotta check this out. This sounds awesome. Ostrich Land. Ostrich and emo viewing. All right, got a bowl of food. All right, I'm gonna start by feeding some emus. Some hungry emus. A smart business model. If you got a bunch of ostriches and emus and you got to feed them, let's charge people $1 a bowl to feed them. All right, ostriches. Hey, not so rough. Oh, trying to get the bowl. Will they reach over? Trying to snag that bowl. All right, now I'm gonna try riding one. All right, that was really fun. Put that in the list of unusual things that I've done in my life. Have you fed an ostrich before? I have. I got a little Christmas ornament.